What's up guys, it's Nathan Don't Got This, and in today's video we will be making a tutorial video. This will be on Unturned server creation, whatever you want to call it. But I guess we'll get into it. So the first thing we want to do, we want to head over to our Google Chrome browser or whatever browser you will be using. The next thing you want to do, you want to head over to SteamCMD, and you want to click this link. The first one says that. And then you can click that, or you can just go here. And so what you want to do now, you want to click this, and then you want to click download SteamCMD for Windows. This is a Windows tutorial, so if you're Linux or Mac, get out. So we just click that link. Once you have that link, we're just going to not lower it, or whatever you want to call it. I forgot what it's called. But we're gonna go over here, drag the folder to the destination that you want it to go to, and then you want to extract here, and then you will have this. Once you have that, what you want to do with this, you want to create a new folder, and you want to name it SteamCMD. But you don't have to name it SteamCMD, but I am going to be doing that for this tutorial. So then we click this, and then it will make all these files, and make all the files right there, as you can see. It might take a lot longer for you to download if you have a slower internet, but once you do this, and once it says loading Steam API, okay, you can go ahead and type in login, and then I'm going to use my login for my server, and I'm going to hide my password, of course. But once you do that, you will it will say login into whatever your name is, Steam public, logged in, okay, waiting for user info, okay. And then what you do, you want to do app underscore update 304930. That is the code for Unturned. Once you do that, you just hit enter, and it will all start to, well, download. It might take quite a while. It just depends on how fast your internet is and how fast your hard drive can read or write. So I'll be back once this is done. Alright, so the download is done. We're back in action. So the next thing you want to do, you want to head over to your Steam CMD folder. You want to click Steam Apps. Once you're there, you want to click Common. You want to click Unturned. Then once you are here, you want to right click Unturned and click Create Shortcut. I'm going to name this whatever I want. Name it Unturned Tutorial. You don't have to name it at all. It does not do anything. Just there for, just this what server it is. So once you're done naming it or whatever, you want to right click it, click open, not click open properties, but click properties. And then once you are there, you want to go target, and then you want to paste this. Then you want to edit this, and after the slash, you want to type in the name of your server. I will put the thing you need to paste in there in the description below. So I'm gonna name it I'm gonna name it tutorial server. Once you do that, you click apply, then you open it up. Then you're just gonna wait for it to load all the way. Waiting. And it's probably not gonna load like this the first time you do it. It will probably be a lot slower. Um, but then you want to do, but you can do slash shutdown, but you don't have to. I'm just gonna exit out for now. And then you want to go into the new folder you see, which is servers. And then you want to click the name of your server, which is right here. Mine's tutorial server. Yours will be different if you named it something else. So then when you want to head into server, you want to head into commands. I'm using Notepad++ by default, I believe it would be an unknown file. Um, but you just open it with Notepad. I don't have Notepad++. So, yours will not look like this. Yours will be completely blank. But you want to put the name, and that is the name of your server. Mine's going to be tutorial server. You want to put the port. We're going to be using the default port, which is 27015. Then the next thing will be players, but you want to do max players. I'm going to set it to 8, which is currently the default for Unturned. You can go all the way up to 24 or 48, but once you get beyond 24, it gets buggy. And then you can set the map. And I'm setting it to Washington. You can set it to whatever you choose, and you can even do modded maps. I'll do a tutorial on how to add mods to your server in another video. Comment below if you would like to see that. Alright, so once you do that, you just save it, and if you use Notepad by default, you hit X, and then you hit save. Or you can just file and save. But once you do that, you want to go back, you want to go to Unturned, and then you want to go to open up your server again. Once you do that, it should take successfully to all the things you edited or added. And then waiting. Keep waiting. And once it's here, you can do /shutdown. I'm gonna do that just so it doesn't corrupt the data. It can, there's a slight chance. Oh, I forgot that's a rocket thing. I'll get into that. So just click X for now. So the next thing you want to do if you want to make it a rocket server, that was how to make a vanilla server. All you have to do, you want to head over to your browser, Google Chrome is what I'm going to use, whatever you want to. When head over to your browser, you want to go to rocketmod.net. Once you do that, type that link in. I'll put it in the description yet again. You want to head over to downloads. Once you're here, you want to download this. You can also do this on Linux, but I'm not going to be doing that tutorial today. So you open that file, and once it's done downloading, and then you drag this file into your unturned directory, or the SteamCMD unturned directory. Drag and drop. Once it's in there, you want to restart your server. Now it's going to say at the top Rocket Unturned 4.9.3.0 for the Unturned version that you're on. Now after this, you will see, after it's done loading, you'll see a bunch of random commands and stuff like that. That's the Rocket adding commands to your server. So once you're done, you can do /shutdown, and now that command will work since it's Rocket. So that will be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see me make a tutorial video on how to add plugins to the server, I'll do that one next. And if you want to see me show you how to do a server, like set up permissions and stuff like that to make it go far more advanced, or even set up MySQL, which is quite a pain in the butt, but once you get it done, it's pretty cool. But I guess that's gonna be the end of this video. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, peace.